Medu Vada Indian fried lentil dumplings. Ingredients: 1 cups of urad dal or uddina bele, 1/4 cup of channa dal or kadle bele, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, 2 green chillies, 3 tablespoons of dry chopped coconut, few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, chopped, 1 inch ginger, finely chopped, pinch of hing, salt to taste, oil to fry. Instructions: wash and soak dal in about 3 cups of water for about 2-3 hours. Drain all the water from soaked dal. Grind urad dal and channa dal together to smooth paste using very little water. I have used authentic grinding stone, but wet grinder or even mixer grinder can be used. The batter should be thick and use very little water. The right consistency is very important, or otherwise, you will not be able to get the vada shape. Add coriander, green chilli, ginger and chopped dry coconut to the batter. Mix it very well. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of rice flour. Rice flour is added to make it crispy. Add pinch of hing to make it more digestible. Heat the oil in a frying pan and medium flame. Wet your palms and take a lemon-size batter. Make hole in the center and slide it into the hot oil. The vada should float on top of oil. Make sure your oil is not too hot. Otherwise the vadas would not cook evenly. Fry on both sides till it becomes golden brown in color. Serve Medu Vada immediately with chutney collections or sambar collections.